In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically change or push due dates based on priority status labels using Monday.com. This handy feature can streamline your workflow by automatically shifting deadlines when there's a change in priority, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. To get started, we'll be using the automation features within Monday.com, which are powerful tools that can help you eliminate repetitive tasks. First, locate the Automate button, which you'll find conveniently positioned on the top bar of your Monday.com dashboard. Clicking this button will lead you to the Automation window, which provides a variety of options for automating your task management processes. Once you're in the Automations window, you'll need to search for the term Push Due Date. This search will bring up several templates specifically designed for date automations. These templates can automate different scenarios, but the one we're interested in today is titled When Status Changes to Something Push Due Date by Some Days. This template is perfect for our needs because it allows us to automatically adjust due dates based on priority changes. After selecting the appropriate template, it's time to set it up according to your specific needs. Begin by clicking on the Status field within the template. This action allows you to choose the specific column associated with the priority status of your tasks. It's important to select the correct column here, as this choice determines which status changes will trigger the automation. Now you'll want to customize the Something part. Change this to the particular status that should trigger the due date adjustment. For instance, you might choose High Priority if that's the condition under which you need your dates to be pushed forward. This level of customization ensures that your automation only activates when necessary, keeping your project timelines aligned with your immediate priorities. The next step is to select the Due Date field. Here you'll choose the column that currently holds the due dates for your tasks. This is crucial because the automation needs to know where to apply the date changes when the conditions you've set are met. Lastly, decide how many days you want the due dates to be pushed forward once the status changes. You might choose 1 day or maybe 5, depending on your project needs and time frame. Enter the desired number of days in the Some Days field, and with that final touch, click on Create Automation. It's a good idea to test out your new automation to ensure everything functions as expected and adjust any details if needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up an efficient system that saves time and reduces manual errors in project management. Now, enjoy your newly automated workflow, knowing that your due dates will always align with the current priority of your tasks.